Spiritual work, now I'm putting this in my right-hand pocket, you're all witness, this is my thingy. It's like a mudra. It isn't what you do. It isn't some performance. It's the way you are. The way you are. Your life is a presentation to divinity to be the best that you can be at the moment that you are what you are, yeah? Your life then is like a mudra. Your life is like a sacred gift to the world and to God, that you are being all that you can be at any given moment. Yeah? The sacredness of all of life, then, allows you to see the sacredness of your own. That commitment to contextualize that that's why you're here, to be all that you can be at any moment, to realize the divinity of all things, to see the beauty of all creation, to leave judgment up to God.